quick reading for April the 15th to April the 16th, Gemini. Your cards are the Two of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. Separations yung nakita natin in the past. Pero ngayon, meron ng opening, no? Unti-unting nawawala yung mga baggages, yung mga negative thoughts, negative feelings. Gradual. Pero at least merong changes. Small changes is still a change, diba? Nakakakita din tayo dito ng reaching out, or it could also be an act of apology na gagawin din ni person kahit na ikaw ang may kasalanan or siya talaga ang may kasalanan. Parang kay person, hindi na ito magmamatter, no? Ang kailangan lang is mabuo at mabuo uli itong relasyon natin. Yes, merong talagang hindi magandang pinagdaanan itong relationship, pero this ain't over, sabi ni person. Aayusin ko rin ito, no? So parang humihingi lang malalim si person para bumuelo. This is your quick reading, Gemini, for April the 15th to April the 16th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.